Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see your Venmo debit card number online. Can you see your physical Venmo debit card number online? Unfortunately, no. Venmo does not show your full physical debit card number in the app or on the website. You'll only see the last four digits as a security measure to help prevent fraud. But what about the virtual debit card? Yes, you can view the full number of your Venmo virtual debit card online. Here's how. First, log into your Venmo account, go to Cards and select your Venmo debit card. Tap Request Virtual Card Number, confirm the last four digits of your social security number. And that's it. Now you can view your Venmo virtual debit card number online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.